I haven't done a pair of headphones or earbuds or any kind of review for a while. And that's exciting, but sometimes I actually miss doing them. So the guys over at Redmi they actually sent over the Redmi Buds 5, which I have over here somewhere, and the Redmi Buds 5 Pro. Now, I wanted to do the Pros today first because I'm hopping on a plane in like 4 days, and I figured I would bring these because it would be a great way for us to try their noise canceling, because to be honest with you, what they say in their specs, the noise canceling on these should be ridiculous. I'm kind of excited to try that. Looking here at their website, now I don't know if they have their pricing, but Redmi Buds 5 Pro, nothing but the best. I like nothing but the best. Certified high-res audio with coaxial dual drivers, cool. Built-in immersive sound with 2 new modes, nice. Here's the big one for me. Up to 52 decibels of active noise canceling with 3 transparency modes. Now, most earbuds and over-ear, usually somewhere in the 30s, maybe hit 40s, but 52, that's, wow. Up to 4 kilohertz ultra wide frequency noise canceling, 38 hours long battery life with charging case, which is great because we are going to be on a plane for 4 hours, following day a train for 4 hours, and then of course the reverse coming back home. So this should have no problems lasting our whole trip. Here's your LDAC audio codec, a bunch of specs if you guys are even care, right? You have music modes, video modes, vegan leather texture design. What? I love that it's a design, but they still say vegan leather texture design. It's not real, but it makes it look like it's vegan leather. I'm not 100% sure. Fashionable contrast in colors, so that comes in Aurora Purple, Moonlight White, and Midnight Black. Now I have the Midnight Black on these, but just so you guys know, I do have in the Redmi Buds 5, which we'll be looking at in a video just after I get back. That one's in a different color. Even more stunning in a set. So if you want to get a whole bunch of Redmi stuff, Redmi, if you want to send me a set, I'm just saying, I'd love to try these as a set. You know, I got a great trip coming up this summer, and this set would be lovely. If you're watching, oh, that's nice. Oh, I don't know. All very pretty. There's that 52 dBs of active noise canceling. That is nuts to me. I don't, does it have an app or anything? I don't know, we'll have to find out. Okay, you guys can look at that. Anyways, here's the box. Redmi Buds 5. A bunch of stuff on the back if you guys are at all interested in that. This is my very first Redmi product. Not my very first Xiaomi product or Mi product, but it's exciting. It's always fun when you get another company that's fairly big. Now they may not be, this is not a company I think in North America that most of us necessarily think of when we're thinking of, you know, cell phones and smartwatches and things like that. But for someone like myself that really watches products that are coming out in, you know, different countries around the world, you know, when you look at Asia and Europe and places like that, products like this are actually, you know, quite popular, and these guys actually are very high in that regards. Did I say that right? Anyways, this is your product overview of the product. Of course, it comes in a couple languages here. It does have an app. Connecting with app. Oh, see, that's why you look at instructions every once in a while. Okay, let's just see if there's an app for this. iOS app, come on, iOS app. Optimize your sound, download. So it says invalid. I don't know. Scan the QR code to download and install the Xiaomi earbuds. Now, my question is, maybe if I just search for that, it'll have it. Xiaomi earbuds. Anything? So there is a Xiaomi earbud, so I'm going to take that one. I'm hoping that's the right one because the app didn't seem to, but it could be something in regards to, you know, location that sometimes can play a part. Now this is a small USB-A to USB-C cable for sure, but fine, it's fine. Of course, you're gonna get a couple extra tip sizes for your earbuds for making sure that they fit properly. And last but not least, yeah, I would say that's right because that looks like the right icon. That icon and that icon look the same, I'd say. So I think we're okay. I think we're okay. And this is it, right? Redmi. Small case though, you guys can see. Nice and small. I like, you know what? Big cases are usually good because they a lot of times have a lot of battery, but they're also a pain in the butt sometimes to just have in your pocket all the time. I like that it's a small case. So let's first, I'm just gonna go to Bluetooth. I'm going to Bluetooth first, to the bottom. Let's see if we open this, if anything happens. I got a big light shine up, that's good. It's flashing, which is good. And Redmi Buds 5 Pro, perfect. We're connected. Excellent. So these, you guys can see them here. Yes, I like the gloss. There's that weird vegan leather texture thing on the back, I guess. I'm not really too sure. Okay, and they fit in my ears good. Yes, they do. And that looks all right, I think. Good strong magnet for putting them in the case. And for me, again, comfy. And even without, I think, any kind of, I can't tell if there's noise canceling on here yet or not, whatever. So let's go into this app. So there's this Xiaomi Earbuds app. Terms and conditions, yes, I agree, yes, I agree, I agree. I'm in Canada, yeah. Firmware updates, next. Noise canceling, yeah, I'm with you. Find your earbuds, all good. In-ear detection, sweet. And it says no earbuds, add earbuds. Use my Bluetooth. Redmi 5 Pros. Boom. Connecting. I honestly think the noise canceling is on already because I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything at all. You'll see, yeah, so see there's 3 levels it looks like of noise canceling. So deep, which is what it's on now, balanced, and light. Oh yeah, so when I went to light, I could hear my wife upstairs walking around. Now I can't. Personalized noise conduction. Perform a fit test to be able to use this feature. Yeah. Put the earphones in. Okay. Continue. Start. Personalized noise canceling is on. Good fit, good fit. We're done. Okay, first off, they play a little, it sounds like it's a Disney tune. Whatever. It sounded fantastic. Noise canceling, yes. So we got noise canceling. We have transparency mode. So that's, and the same thing. You got like 3 different options. Regular, enhanced voice, or enhanced ambient sound. Either way, I can hear myself. Actually, like, it's really good. I would probably keep it there, to be honest with you, and then I could just turn these off. Back to noise canceling. Adaptive noise canceling. And I'm pretty sure adaptive noise canceling listens for if like somebody's talking to you and things like that. So it adapts to the sound that's around you. Look at all this stuff. Hold on, my battery's about to die. I'm just gonna switch this, but we're gonna go through this. First off, let's just do an update firmware, and we'll get this going. Okay, so I'm back, and there was no firmware update, which is good. Gestures. Tap left earphone once to. Okay, so it's just I'm like, is it gonna somehow see what my hands are doing? But it's all about. There's all your tapping controls, which is cool. Audio effects. Dimensional audio. What is that? Immersive sound. Yes, I want immersive sound. Music, video, music. Find earphones. Sweet, they're in my head. About earphones. Lots of cool stuff on here. That's pretty sweet. I'll give it that. That's pretty cool. I was listening to most recently some. Actually, we're listening to Ozzy right now. So let's continue listening to some Ozzy, shall we? I'm gonna go here and let's just see. They sound great. Okay, I can't. That's excellent. Excellent. Let's try my normal. You guys all know what I'm doing. Yes, you do. There it is. Blinding lights. Blinding lights. Sorry. Just crank it up. See what kind of distortion we get. So far, none. Okay. These are really good. Like, I don't know the price. That's the thing. I don't know the price on these right now. I honestly have no idea. Does it say anything on their website about what the price is? I don't know if they do. What I will do is in the description down below, I'll put a link to where you can find these. Now, the last one here that I'm going to look at is just the microphone in itself, just to see how it sounds. And I'm just going to use Blackmagic here. And as you can see, what I'm going to do in the audio source is set these to Redmi Buds 5. Back to my camera. This is just a shot of me, and 3, 2, 1, record. All right, guys, so this is close to me because I'm using the zoom in feature. My apologies. Anyways, you guys should be able to get an idea of what this sounds like. The meters are doing really well. The meters are kicking right up at about 0 to +3 decibels. So we'll have to see if we get any peaking or anything like that on there. But you guys at least should get an idea of what the microphone is like on this. I think, they should be decent. All right, let's get back to the normal microphone. You know what? These sound great. They have a ton of features. I don't necessarily know, again, the full price, and it does light up as soon as you put them in there, which is great. That noise canceling, even in here, is fantastic. But like I said, the video is not quite over yet. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna let you know what my thoughts were after I come back from my flight, because airplane noise, that's a big one. So if we can neutralize airplane noise, I'll be very pleased. All right, guys, the Redmi Buds 5 Pro. I'm excited about these. All right, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Okay, so we're back from our trip, and I did get the opportunity, try to move this over here, the opportunity to use these right here, and I have to say they're really good. On a side note, I did get a chance to listen to the previous part of the video while I was editing it and hear the microphone quality, and wow, I think I may actually use these for doing some recording, especially if I'm recording with my phone, because I think these are substantially better than a lot of the actual headphones and earbuds that I've tried, and honestly probably a lot better than just the iPhone or whatever mic that is around at that point. So that's a complete win. In regards to noise canceling though, I tried these on the plane for like 4 hours. I also tried them on the train. Both of these have similar yet different kind of sounds. The train probably has more of a louder sound, I would think, whereas the plane just has, it's just a more of a complex sound that's just kind of there all the time. But it got rid of both of them actually really well. Like, it's probably one of the best earbuds with active noise canceling that I've heard. Again, I'm not 100% sure of the price, but I will leave that down in the description. And if you guys are interested in a pair of earbuds, these are pretty feature packed, feature full. Highly recommended. I think these may be my go-to earbuds as of now. In the next few days, we will be testing the non-pro version of these, because maybe saving yourself a couple bucks is good enough. We will see you guys in the next video, and links down below if you guys are at all interested in these earbuds. Later.